Good day my friends, welcome to the channel. Today is Boxing Day. Hope you guys had a lovely Christmas. Before we start the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. That's really gonna help me keep the channel going. In today's video, we'll be talking about my newly acquired Eufy DoorBell. This doorbell plus home base usually costs about $350, and today is Boxing Day. I know a lot of places are giving out deals, so I picked it up from Super Cheap Auto. I know they advertise it for $260 I think, but I went in there, asked them to press match Binley, which is $232. So I ended up paying $232 for this 2K doorbell plus home base. It's a pretty good deal, I think. And this doorbell doesn't require any subscriptions. Alright, let's go straight into the unbox. Right after open the box, there's a little Eufy security. I think it's just some users menus and stuff in it. Yep, just some of the stuffs. I think this is the mounting point for the doorbell. Let's just put that aside. And here we go. That's the home base. That's the doorbell. Looks pretty good. So this home base came 16 gigs of storage. Another box at the very bottom of the case. So that's an Ethernet cable, charging cable, a power adapter for the home base, and the mounting bracket for the doorbell. Some mounting hardwares, and looks like a SIM eject tool. I don't know, we'll find out. I'm super excited. Let's have it installed. I've already have the doorbell installed, and here are the tools I've used. So that's a 2.5mm drill bit, 4.5, 5.5. You do need a Phillips head screwdriver. That's gonna make it a bit easier, and the impact drive. The installation was pretty easy. Just drill a couple holes with the template that was already provided. Before you install the doorbell onto the bracket, make sure you fully charge it, have it connected to the home base. Then you're all good to go. I've tested it out a couple times and it works pretty good. So it does notify me every time there's someone in front of my house. Also, you can set the alert amount, like if you want really high alert, you can set it to high, and then every single movement you see it. And the notification was really good. The talk function was really clear. So far so good. So hope today's video is helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next time.